I'll just take 1 minute to take a step backwards and I'll jump into the discussion. There's a biblical principle that when the wicked rule, people mourn, but when the righteous rule, people rejoice. And may mga nagpapalabas kasi that this hearing is an evidence of corruption of the Duterte administration. While I think it is the reverse, Secretary Aguirre exposed the corruption precisely para lumabas ito. Senator Gordon and our colleagues called this hearing para lumabas ang buong katotohanan, para ganito kaaga sa administrasyon ay lumabas na kaagad lahat ng anomalya at maiwasan ito. No? So we've heard so much already here, but let me state for the record, Mr. Chair, and to our dear colleagues, no? Whether you call it extortion, bribery, payoff, malinaw na may corruption na nangyari. Ang question lang, sino? Kasi nagtuturuan na. So just for the record, while we go to the details, I'd like to ask those direct questions. So for example, if I may start with General Sombero, no? General, so is Secretary Aguirre involved? Did he corrupt? Did he extort? Did he take a bribe?
Your Honor.
Yes or no lang siguro?
Hindi po, wala po siya.
Wala.
But I'd like, with you respect, Your Honor.
We'll go back to the explanation.
Ako po ang nag-expose, hindi po si Secretary Aguirre.
Sige. So we'll take that for the record and I'll give you the chance sa huli. No? But I'll go around the room. So how about Commissioner Morente? Did he extort? Did he ask money from you? Is he part of the corruption?
I have no personal knowledge about that, Your Honor.
No, so yes or no? From your part?
No,
hindi.
Your
Hindi.
Honor.
Okay.
No, po.
So si Deputy Commissioners Arguncino and Robles,
Yes, Your Honor.
sila ang nag-extort.
Sila po.
Okay. Yung grupo po ni Mr. Ang, Alex Yu, and sila po nag-extort, sila
Wala po
nagbigay.
silang kinalaman.
Pero sila nag-pay off.
It was a business decision of their boss. Yes, sir.
Na mag-pay off or na mag-bail? From your point of view.
Mr. Chair, yes, the word bail was mentioned, Your Honor.
From your point of view.
From my, yes, Your Honor, because it was a subject of the discussion about the
Sige.
bill and business decision.
Then I'll go to them later on. So kay Deputy Commissioner Arguncino, sir, Arguncino, yes. So from your point of view, sino nag-extort or sino nag-bribe or sino nag-corrupt?
Actually, klarong-klaro ho talagang sinalya sa amin yung pera. Inconsistent ho yung mga sinasabi.
So from your point of view, you did not extort.
I did not, Your Honor.
Sila nag-offer at sila nag-bribe.
Wala ho kaming...
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All the explanations are going on. So yes or no na lang, sir, ng sino sila when you sinabi mo sila?
Sila ho ang
Yeah, can you name them one by one, sir?
From Sombero, from Norman Nang, from Alexander Yu, and Jack Lam, Your Honor.
Okay, and then why did you accept it?
No, Your Honor.
You accepted it to entrap them. Yun ang story niyo.
That happened already, Your Honor, nung binigay na po sa amin yung pera.
Yes.
That was the first time na
Yes.
nalaman namin.
So your story is kinokorrupt kayo and then yung tinanggap nyo para i-entrap sila. Yun ang version niya.
Your Honor, not in the concept of entrapment, Your
But,
Honor. Because
yung tinanggap?
ang concept po namin dito is gusto po talaga namin malaman yung kung anong ito po, yung exactly kung ano po yung inaalam ng Senado. Kasi
Kaya nyo tinanggap?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
As evidence.
Anyway, so ma-explain lahat yun. Can I ask Commissioner Robles the same question? So, sino nag-corrupt or sino nag-bribe or sino yung tumanggap, in your view?
We have already filed our case, criminal complaint in Parañaque against the...
And it says that...
It is one of corruption of public officials.
Okay, by sino-sino yung...
The group of Sombero, Jack Lam, and etc.
Okay. Sir, sa inyo, Mr. Ang, sa inyo. It's a case of extortion from your point of view.
Well, lahat naman tayo rito, marunong matatalino naman. Makikita nyo naman na talagang, kanina pa tayo nag-uusap ng ganyan, na sila humihingi ng pera talaga eh.
Okay.
Bakit? November 29, nagpapalo ka pa sa another 50 million ng gabi. So, para saan yun?
So, sir, pag sinabi niyo sila, Kasi lahat nagpapaliwagan eh. So we
Opo.
just want to know who is accusing whom. So
Sige.
pag sinabi nyo sila, you're talking about Argoncino,
Argosino,
Deputy,
Robles,
and Robles.
si Wally, magkakasama sila, pero si Wally naman,
And Wally.
Opo, sila-
But not Commissioner Morente and not Secretary Aguirre.
wala po, wala po.
Wala yung
po
dalawa.
Sila, wala po sila.
So all of us here in the room agree that wala si Commissioner Morente at wala si Secretary Aguirre.
wala po, wala sila.
Okay. Sir, the next question I'd like to ask you, sir. You kept on using bail.
Yes.
Pero alam nyo na hindi bail yon kung hindi bribe yon.
Hindi po bail talaga.
Hindi talaga bail.
Alam mo na, ang alam mo talaga bail.
Ang alam nyo bail.
Bail.
Pero sir, ang alam nyo ang bail, doon kayo sa legal dapat pupunta ng immigration and then ibibigay sa inyo ilang tao at usually immigration lawyer ang papadala nyo, hindi po tao ng kasino na may dalang pera.
Yes, pero doon na kasi sila sa dami ng tao, yun na rin puntaan ang ginawa nilang opisina ng immigration eh.
Oh sir, pero hindi nyo doon dinala yung pera para mag-transact eh. At hindi naman kayo binigyan ng listahan kung sino-sino ibe-bail, sino palilista eh.
Well, Your Honor, ang nangyari po doon, wala naman kasi doon pera sa Fontana kasi mas may pera dito sa Manila eh. Andito yung pera sa COD.
Yeah. So what I'll tell you, sir, I'm trying to be fair, but what I'm trying to drive at is at what point did you think it was a bail, and at what point did you know that it was already a bribe?
Nung wala pa lumalabas eh.
So nung binigay niyo yung pera, ang feeling niyo sila na mag-aayos, sila na maglalabas, ilang tao yon, magkano per tao. Pero nung binigay niyo yung 50 na hindi lumabas, sabi niyo, oh, hindi na to bail. Mukhang kinukutungan na tayo to.
Yes, nalaman po kasi namin na 56,000 per head ang bail. So, kung 1,300 plus yun, lumalabas more or less 73 million.
So ano nakuha, sir, yung per head?
Yung bail per Chinese.
Yes, pero saan nyo nakuha yung amount? Is that a...
Sila na nagsabi. Sila Mr. Argosino na.
Yes, pero hindi nyo tinignan kung may regulation ang BID, kung magkano. Kasi like sa court, ang court ang magsasabi sa iyo that ang bail for this is 10,000 per ganito. Tapos pwede yung bond, pwede yung cash.
Yes, Your Honor. Ang problema, hindi pa rin nila kinakasuhan. Wala pa kami makita kung ano yung papel. So, ibig sabihin, lumalapit.
So hindi sir nyo naisip na since wala pang kaso, hindi pwedeng i-bail. Kasi bail is a function kung meron ng kaso.
Pasensya na po, hindi po kasi kami abogado. So, noong time na yun, nagkakagulo. Hindi na namin alam. Ang importante, ang humingi kasi ng tulong sa amin, hindi po kami yung next game.
No, sir, I understand. And I understand that you were, as businessmen, you were trying to get them out.
Yeah,
and by the way, sir, hindi kita kilala. I have nothing against you and everything.
Yeah.
But I just have to ask this na nabasa ko lang somewhere, di ba? When there was a charge against you during the Strada administration, wasn't it part of your plea bargain with the court that you cannot engage in gambling?
Siguro under probation, sa probation lalabas yun. Pero alam naman natin, yung kaso ko yun is politically motivated lang.
Yes, pero tapos na ba yung probation na yun?
Tapos na, matagal na, 2 years lang yun.
So after the probation, pwede ka na?
Pwede na. Kailangan naman nung kami mabuhay, maghanap buhay.
No, sir. Ang question ko, was it a pardon?
No. Nag-ano ko ng
Yeah, was it part of your conviction or pardon that you cannot engage in gambling?
lumalabas, nag-plead
Yeah,
ako ng
anyway,
guilty
sir,
as lower offense.
as I said, I do not know you,
Yeah.
and I have nothing against you. So just submit it to the committee. Kung there is no problem and legally
Wala,
you can
wala.
engage in gaming.
I
No?
plead guilty for a lower offense, then
Okay.
yun na yung naging kapalit nun.
Sige, sir.
Anyway, the chair instructs the COMSEC to get a copy of the decision regarding Mr.
Yes.
Ang
Last point, ma'am.
on whether there was a prohibition to practice
Manifestation.
gambling.
Yes.
Just to be fair to everybody para malaman natin kung totoo yun.
Mr. Chair, just as my last point is just a manifestation. Two things. Now, one is in aid of legislation. In aid of legislation, Mr. Chair, and I said this in the first hearing, we saw this in the case of Marine Lieutenant Colonel Marcelino. Nung sinabi niya ito ay sting operation or buy bust or ito ay isang operation, hindi malaman na kung ano yung protocol or kaninong nagpaalam. So one of our problems now is that many in this room are claiming that it's a legitimate operation, pero no one above them or even outside the agency knew about it. So if we do not have a standard protocol for all agencies kung gagawa, I see Mr. Ranas here, the deputy ng BIR. If the BIR has a sting operation, for example, pero hindi pinaalam sa kanila, hindi pinaalam nga sa commissioner, and then hawak na yung pera, paikot-ikot tayo kung sino talaga may kasalanan. Lastly, Mr. Chair, I will wait after Senator Trillanes, but a while ago he was implying that when you say president, kapatid ng president, pamangkin ng presidente, kapatid, as if involved ang presidente. Alam naman natin sa ating kultura, we have a padrino culture. Diba? Even in the city of Taguig, where my wife is mayor, ang rule namin mag-asawa, I can only talk to her or her city administrator. I cannot talk to any department head. I cannot refer any contractors. I cannot ask for any permits, etc. And all our relatives, para malinaw. Minsan may nagagalit sa aking kamag-anak pag ganon. Mr. Fred Lim is here, which is one of the close friends of the President, and he will be a witness. Ilan ang lumapit sa amin, na lumapit sa Presidente, at ang sagot namin parati, dumiretso kayo. Because lumamit kayo yan sa kapatid, sa asawa, sa anak, lalong magagalit yan. So, I will wait for his evidence, no? But mere insinuation that someone is saying, malapit ako kay President, I can say that now. I can say that now. Papunta ako kay Presidente ngayon kung may lalakarin kayo. That doesn't mean na it is true or pababayaan ng Presidente. So let me just stop there, Mr. Chair, and congratulate you in the handling of this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Yes, sir.